supply. In this circuit, we use the components like the push button and buzzer, along with the power indicator circuit we built earlier. Let's build this circuit in Tinkercad and simulate it. We will first build the power supply circuit, which will be common for all our further projects. Let's draw the components mentioned on the circuit diagram seen earlier. So, we will draw the USB standard A connector, LED red, and resistor of value 1 kilo ohms. We will connect as follows. The 5-volt positive of the USB to the terminal 2 of the resistor. This is the positive line, so we shall select the wire color red, terminal 1 of the resistor to the anode of the LED, cathode of the LED to the ground of the USB connector. This is negative line, so we shall select the wire color black. We will now complete the rest of the circuit, for which we shall draw the push button and the buzzer from the component library and wire them as follows. Terminal 1B of the push button to the first terminal of the resistor. Terminal 2A of the push button to the positive of the buzzer. Negative of the buzzer to the cathode of the LED. We have now completed the circuit. Let's start the simulation. Glowing red LED indicates the circuit is powered, but the buzzer is not sounding, as the circuit is open. When we push this button and close the circuit, the buzzer sounds. When we release the push button, again the circuit is open and the buzzer does not sound. This is how we convert the electrical energy into sound energy. The circuit has many applications. A few examples could be quiz buzzers, buzzers in security systems, and so on. You can now build your own circuit, download the image file, and submit in the assignment. Circuit diagram. In this project, the current flows in 2 paths. The path 1 is a power indicator circuit seen earlier in Project 1. When powered up, the red LED glows, indicating that the circuit is powered. In path 2, push button and buzzer are connected in series with the USB DC power. When you press the push button, electric current flows from the plus 5-volt terminal of the USB through the push button, buzzer, and to ground, negative, completing the path 2 and forming a closed circuit. As soon as the current flows in the closed circuit, the buzzer starts emitting a sound. When the push button is released, the path is interrupted and therefore the buzzer goes off. This circuit is used in many applications. One shown here is a quiz buzzer. Have fun! Cheers!